Hey, you guys, Samardia Selva here. And as I promised, here is something about anti spam and content safety on LinkedIn or how you can stay clean on LinkedIn. Keeping LinkedIn professional and safe is a huge job, okay? And most of it is handled by algorithms in the background, thankfully. Here's how LinkedIn fights spams and scams and inappropriate content. Anomaly detection for fakes and spam. LinkedIn has a system that's always sniffing out unusual activity. They use anomaly detection AI to catch things like spammy content, connection requests, bot mass viewing profiles. They use anomaly detection AI to catch things like spammy connection requests or bots that are mass viewing profiles or sudden bursts of likes that seems like very coordinated. Fake accounts are a big target. LinkedIn reportedly blocked 100 million fake accounts just in the last 1 year alone. 100 million fake accounts. That's big. They're even developing AI that can spot fake profiles with like 99% accuracy. So LinkedIn's been saying that they're constantly improving their anti-abuse defenses. So we can stay ahead of spammers using evolving tactics, including generative AI. This I think I found on searchenginejournal.com. If something doesn't look like normal, genuine user behavior, LinkedIn's algorithm is going to flag it and limit it to so that it can protect the community. Something to be said about NLP and computer vision, that is, scanning posts for bad stuff. LinkedIn uses advanced natural language processing and image recognition to automatically scan content to keep the platform clean and civil. Every time you post, behind the scenes AI of LinkedIn is going to analyze the text and images so that if there are red flags, it could even shut the post down or shut your whole account down. So what that means is every time you post on LinkedIn, the behind the scenes LinkedIn AI, what it does is it analyzes the text and the images for red flags. So does the post contain hate speech or harassment? Is it sexually violent? Or could it be misinformation? Or could it be a scam? Those are things that the algorithms check. In fact, LinkedIn employs a 3-layer moderation kind of system. First, it scans and blocks clear violation of policies. Okay? That this happens like as soon as you post. Second, if the AI is not fully sure about the piece of content that you posted, it flags it for a human reviewer. And third, users can manually report content that slips past first tier and the second tier. And this I read on LinkedIn's own blog. So it is accurate. So using this layered approach, LinkedIn AI with human backup is helping catch most of the inappropriate and harmful content before it starts spreading. Here's an example I can give you. If someone tries to share a blatantly false news article or a graphic image that's not true, the system can automatically filter it and keep your feed safe and professional. You might also have noticed that you can click an X mark on the top right corner of your feed, and then LinkedIn asks you, I don't want to see a post from this person, which is okay, which is fair. It also says this is not appropriate for LinkedIn. If you find something that's not appropriate for LinkedIn, please do the needful and say it. So, how are you going to remain safe? No shortcuts. Avoid bots and embrace real engagement. Now, this much must have become clear. LinkedIn's algorithm is smart, and it's getting smarter and smarter and smarter by the day. So it's getting smarter at spotting or detecting inauthentic activity. So people that try to game the system with spammy tricks are likely going to get backfired. Automated pods, engagement hacks, engagement bots, or buying fake likes is going to get you into deep shit. Some of these tricks might have helped in the past, but not longer. Because today, LinkedIn can detect inauthentic spikes in engagement with high accuracy. Do not do content that tries to cheat. Like I've seen people buying repetitive comments by bot driven likes, buying bot driven likes. This can be downranked, sometimes even penalized. In short, do not use spammy bots. The algorithm is going to notice and your reach is going to suffer. Here's a direct way of saying this. If you have been offered LinkedIn engagement boost by AI, run away, because LinkedIn is going to figure out that this is a spammy bot and your reach will suffer. So, what does work to grow on LinkedIn? Authentic engagement. Instead of bots, consider joining forces with real people in your niche. Here's an example. You can join my LinkedIn posting parties. I run them every Tuesday and every Thursday. It's essentially a group of people, community members, colleagues, friends, whatever you might call them. We agree to support each other on each other's posts. Unlike fake pods, these are real interactions from real connections, from real people. Okay? This the algorithm loves because it sees true interest, not random spam. Hootsuite has a blog, and I read about a month ago that LinkedIn posting parties are great because they are genuine people trying to boost each other's engagement up. By participating in groups like this, not just my engagement parties, but any that you find very authentic and genuine, you're going to boost each other's confidence. And the algorithm will take a note of the authentic engagement. LinkedIn's algorithm's aim is to reward content that informs and engages the professional community. So, LinkedIn will elevate posts that spark genuine conversations and hold people's attention, and it should come from trusted connections while quietly filtering out the junk and the bots. If you create quality content, interact sincerely, and play by the rules, algorithms on any platform can become your ally, bringing your post to the right people. And that's what you need. You don't need hacks, just a focus on real value and real connections. So keep it honest, keep it genuine, authentic. Let the algorithms on LinkedIn do the rest. Come join a posting party with us. Find links in the description below.